G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. I've just got out of my car, as you can see behind me, and I'm heading to Costco here in Epping, which is in Melbourne. Melbourne's north. I'll just turn the camera around so you can see. There you go. So I'm just walking up to the Costco store now, just in the car park. And the reason why I'm going to Costco today is to get a birthday cake, and it's my birthday tomorrow on the 17th. Today is the 16th, obviously. Friday the 16th, tomorrow is Saturday the 17th, and I turn 1,000 years old tomorrow. No, 53 if I haven't lost count. So we'll just keep walking up to Costco. There you go. Front of Costco. If I pan down the other side, you can see it's a pretty big store, this one. Biggest one in Melbourne. Now I won't need a trolley because I'm only getting a cake, so I'll have to get my card out. Oh, that's handy. I forgot my wallet at home, so we'll come back. Anyway, take two. Okay, welcome back. I just had to get home and get my Costco card. Obviously you can't get in without your Costco card or my wallet to pay for anything, so we're going in for the second time. As I mentioned earlier, this is the Epping store in northern Melbourne, and you'll probably notice that everyone's got a face mask on now because it's been mandatory now for the last 3 months. Once you leave your house, you have to have a face mask on. We'll just go in. There you go, thank you. Okay, we're in Costco now. You want a TV? I'm actually just here to buy a birthday cake for myself for tomorrow. Not having a party or anything like that, so just having a birthday cake. Wouldn't mind a new TV though. But anyway, we'll quickly go down to where all the cakes are. I don't want to spend too much time here today, so it's just a case of just grabbing a cake and going home, but we'll have to leave it till tomorrow. There you go, got outdoor barbecue, beautiful. Jack Daniels. Anyone want some Jack Daniels? People are looking at me funny thinking, oh, who's this guy talking to? They don't realise I'm recording. Now the cakes are just around the back here, just near the fruit section. I'm not going to get anything fancy, so just a cake for Mum and I to eat. There you go. I think they are just around the side here, if I can find them. Here we go. We got choc marble cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake. Oh, here we go. There we go. Happy birthday. There you go. That looks pretty good there. What do you think of that one? That one's $19, $20. Maybe go for a white one. I think I'll go for one of these white ones, actually. We'll see how we go. They're just normal cakes there, Black Forest cake. And okay, I think I'll just go for the white one there I saw. Okay, so we'll just swing around. I think we'll go for one of these ones. I'll have to turn the GoPro off because I can't carry everything and do everything at the same time. But I think I'm going to go for this one here. There you go, what do you think? There you go, that looks pretty good. So that's it, unless we go for a different one. That one says happy birthday princess, so I don't think I want that one. And these ones are just too big, because it's only Mum and I that are eating it, so we don't want a huge cake. Okay, welcome back. I've just paid for the cake, as you can see there, and I'm just walking out of the store. Balancing it one-handed. Here we go. If I drop it, it'll be the quickest birthday cake party I've ever had. Oh, let me just put my camera down. Oh, there you go.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. I don't want to drop everything.
Nice.
Thank you very much. Oh,
Bye.
yeah, thank you. Okay, so that's it. One birthday cake. Sorry, I'm just trying to juggle everything at the same time, so I don't want to drop everything. We'll head back to the car. There you go. That's the cake there. Happy birthday with a couple of balloons. Not bad for $19.99, so $20. G'day everyone, welcome back. Today is actually officially my birthday, so we're having lunch, Mum and I, and basically there's the cake. Costco cake, so it's not too bad. So happy birthday to me. Thanks everyone for watching. We're gonna have our lunch, have our cake, and enjoy the day. Take it easy, take care everyone, stay safe.